Look, would you mind if we made this coffee out to you?
No, it's all right. Can I have a coffee?
Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Beautiful. Nobody makes cooking like you. Not even my strange wife. No. So, how many bookings have we got tonight?
Oh, yeah.
That's all.
I'm afraid so. He goes in